Hello everyone. Welcome today. Yes, in today's newspaper, uh, on Friday, yes, Friday, October the 16th, 2020. We have here two regular Sudokus, a Sudoku Light and a Sudoku Heavy. We'll start first with the Sudoku Light, and by the way, there is also in this newspaper an additional with extra Sudokus, 8 extra Sudokus, so you can prepare for an overload of Sudokus. Alright, but the first one is a Sudoku Light, and this will be a number 1761. And before I start, I always count the printed numbers I see here in the big squares. There are all of them with 4 digits, so 9 times 4 is 36 printed digits. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan. Which number shall I pick? How about the number? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, let's try the 2 in this row, the 2 in that row. So in the middle row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in the third column, 2 in the first column, so the column between the second column. The only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And then I cannot continue with the 2. Well. How about the 9? And 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so in the row below. The only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used, I can see. Yes, digit number 1. Then, how about... the 3 in this row, the 3 in the middle row, so in the row above. The only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3, wait. In this big square, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 there, here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 in this big square should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the second row, so in the row above. The first row, the only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row, so the row between. The only place for the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used, I can see. Digit number 2. Alright. How about these 2 numbers in this big square? The missing numbers are the 6 and the 5. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so in the column next. Only place for the 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so in the row below. The only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be there. and all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 3. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in and that row, so the row between. The only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And then 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in the last column, 5 in that column, so the column between. Only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in that row, so in the middle row. The only place for the 5 should be there, and all the 5s are used. I can see, yes, digit number 4. And then yes, how about the number, these 2 numbers in this big square? The missing numbers here are the 1 and the 4. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 4 goes there. These 2 numbers in this big square, the missing numbers here are the 4 and the 7. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the last column, the 4 and the 2 are missing. 4 and a 2. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square, the 7 and the 8. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 8 goes there. 1 missing number in this row for the number 1. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 1 and 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and 1 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 4 is missing. Then 1 number left in this row for the number 1. 1 number left in the first row for the number 7. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 4 and 8. I cannot fill this yet. Wow! 1 number left in this row for the number 2. 1 number left in this big square for the number 8. Now I can fill those 2 numbers, 4 and the 8. We have an 8 now, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 4 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 8. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 7 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 7. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 1 and 8. We see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Finish in 8 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. I like this one. Very fast to solve. Keep the pace in it. So I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a few seconds with the second regular Sudoku. It will be a Sudoku heavy. So see you later. Bye bye for now.